What's up everybody, welcome back. This is LL and today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different methods to basically stake your TON tokens. TON, standing for the Open Network, has been gaining a lot of attraction as of late as it entered top 10 crypto by market cap. So I'm probably going to be doing a lot more videos about TON going on because there's a lot of interesting things being built at top of it since it's the technology designed by Telegram. Now, the first things we're obviously going to be needing is an actual wallet. There's a couple of different options here for in terms of wallets. I mean, a lot of like multi-coin wallets are already supporting TON, like Trust Wallet and Atomic Wallet, for example. But the thing is, most of those applications do not have staking features available, or they don't support NFTs. So the 3 ones that I would probably recommend here is Tonkeeper as an extension. TonHub is probably the best option in terms of a mobile wallet, and then there is also MyTon wallet, which is actually not too bad as an extension as well. So in terms of our first method, which requires the largest amount of money, will be actually making through a very direct nominator thing, which will require you to have 10,000 TON. So that's like $22,000 or something right now. So most of you don't have that type of money right now. So this will not be an option for many, because that is the bare minimum that you have to have in order to basically participate on this. The estimated APY is 3.2%. This is also fully decentralized because it's using a TON nominator smart contract, and basically you're staking through there. So this is probably the most purest way to basically stake your tokens right now. But as I said, it does require 10,000. Luckily, we do have other options here which do require a lot less Toncoin to get started. And we would probably talk about the most accessible option, which is called tonstake.com. And this is basically pooled staking. We have talked about shared masternodes, shared pools, and a lot of the early days of the channel, and those have become a lot more popular with these pools on Ethereum, for example, because 32 Ethereum bare minimum is very inaccessible for many people. And this is what Tonstake is basically trying to do, is that you have the option to basically get in with little as 0.1 TON basically to get started here. And they do have a calculator here, like how much TON you have. Let's say you're going to be putting a small bet of 50 TON, which is around $100. You can get up to 5.21%, and this is because they are actually compounding your money here. So this is one of the big draw points here. So there's a stake amount which will take 36 hours. Delegation period will take 36 hours. And by the way, these times are rather competitive compared to a lot of the other staking protocols out there that basically exist. So this is one of the fastest staking protocols, because most of them have 14 days, 1 week, 48 hours, 72 hours. And this, there will be a 10% service fee which will be taken out. But then when you think about it in the long term, because of the compounding rewards, you still might be making more with this than traditional staking. And the APY, as I said, will be around 5.21%. That is the compounded sum. And the rewards are the compound, and so are the payouts. And 0.6 is the inflation rate of TON per year. So I think like 60% of the supplies around have been released so far. And the way it works, let us open up actually on the platform. So this is the interface. So once you get in, you will be given out a deposit address. You need to send a 0.001 TON into that address with a memo. The memo will be a number, and that will be dropped into your email, whatever you choose. And then your account will be verified, and then you will be getting a deposit address. So just for the sake of the test, I will be opening up my TON wallet here, and I will be sending out recipient address, continue, and 5 TON, continue, confirm, and send. I really like the fees on this network. They're relatively low. I wish they were a bit lower, but and then you're going to be putting out passwords. A lot of the wallets that I have interacted on TON will have passwords and PIN codes, so get used to that. And then you can send these money into this, and then there is going to be a transaction fees here, and we can refresh the page and probably will be appearing here very shortly. And after the money is on the account, you can basically just click here max and confirm, and then they will be going into depositing into the actual staking system. And this is where things get started compounding those rewards. Since it has been less than 36 hours since I deposited 4 TON into the system for staking, I haven't gotten rewards yet, obviously. And this is basically the most accessible way to get started. And here it's the 5 TON, and we can get back into this later. I just want to show you finally the last method here, which will require you to have the TonHub mobile wallet, because I wasn't able to basically get this website working with an extension. So the last option is Ton Whales. And this is a similar system. It has multiple different pools, and you can basically log in here with 2 different, I think it's Tonkeeper and the Ton Wallet. The TonHub and the Tonkeeper are the ones that are available here. And then there's a staking tab. These are, by the way, mirrored on the mobile, so you're able to open up on the mobile app what I'm doing here right now. So by basically connecting, so you will be asked to do a QR code, and this QR code basically will appear once there's like a connect button here, and then you scan it with your phone, and the QR code scanner is the top right corner on the mobile application. And then you're going to be going into, well, basically you're not going to be eligible for a lot of these pools here, so you're going to be going for whale nominators, and you can choose for whatever queue you're going to be going for. And here I can already see I entered here with my money, so I deposited 50, but there's going to be like a small fee taken on from that, so 49.8 is going to be put into this queue, and now it's going to be pending deposit. And then I can also withdraw it. Okay, we're not going to be confirming that obviously, but that's how it basically would be done. And here you can see like how much of the pools have been contributed. A lot of money is already here, so this is another option. It's different because this is actually running through a smart contract, which is explained on the website. Both of these websites also have their own support pages. And let me actually try to refresh here and see if the confirmations have been going through. Well, actually they haven't. Okay, they have. So here we have the fine ton we just deposited here, and I'm going to be clicking confirm. There's going to be a fee of 0.01 and confirming. And after this, now it's staked, and now we have more. We have 8.9 ton here up for staking balance, and it will be after 36 hours it's going to be starting to accumulate ton for us. And that's basically the rundown how to get started with ton. There might be some exchanges as well which will offer centralized offerings and give you interest rates on ton, like Binance and stuff like that usually have these types of projects, but it's not listed on Binance yet, far as I remember. So there's probably going to be more different liquid pools and opportunities to basically get started with staking. But right now I would probably recommend Ton Stake and Ton Whales, because most of you do not have 10,000 to get started becoming a nominator. So that's basically what I have to share with you guys. If you have some other methods which I missed out, please note them down below in the description. In the comment section, and if you have any questions about this process, also let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you next time on the next video. Cheers.